Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to change page orientation in MS Word 2013. Let's start now. First open Microsoft Word document. Then go to page layout and click orientation. There will be two options, portrait or landscape. So in this video I will show you how to change this orientation. This is portrait mode and you can change this as a landscape mode. And this is landscape. This is horizontal and portrait is look like a vertical. So landscape is need some time. Suppose we are making a routine. This time we need landscape. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. English, math, physics, chemistry, biology. So there needs more cells. You can use landscape orientation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.